I don't know, go. Yeah. You're gonna get really speedy and you're gonna fall and it's gonna be so funny. Exactly. Oh, it hurts. I cried.
I did it. I didn't go very fast.
Now go real fast.
I haven't got the hang of it.
Come on, you can do it.
These are too small to hurt my toes.
Well, maybe you should need a bigger pair.
Oh, maybe.